Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is an model question paper 1. So, electrical and electronics engineering. The subject name is concepts of electrical circuits and subject code is 25EE21. So, if you read these three question papers, so 20 marks. 20 marks you will get easily. So passing marks, it is those who are preparing for passing marks. This video will be helpful for get 20 marks Pakka, but all the questions you have to read properly. Okay. The first question, select the correct answer for 15 marks. So SI unit of electrical charge. So SI unit for electrical charge is coulomb. Okay. The next question is, a dielectric material is used. We can use it for capacitors. Dielectric materials, we can use it for capacitors. The third question is, the series connection of the capacitors, the total capacitance, answer will be less than the smallest capacitor will be an answer. The next question is, Faraday's first law of electrolysis states, option C, the mass is proportional to quantity of electricity will be answer for this question. Next, fifth question, which law is used to calculate the voltage in the loop? That we call it as an option B, KVL. Okay, Kirchhoff voltage law. Next is an ideal voltage source as, option B will be an answer, is zero internal resistance. A transformation from data to star is mainly used for, option C, simplify circuit analysis. Simplify circuit analysis. The Thevenin theorems helps, option B, replace a complex network with the equivalent circuits. Next is magnetic reluctance is the magnetic reluctance is analogous. Answer is option 9. Answer is resistance. The next question is, the direction induced EMF is given, electromagnetic force is given by, for 10th the 10th question answer will be Lenz's law. That electromagnetic 10th question option will be an C. The 11th one, in AC the form factor is defined, option B, RMS divided by average. Next, the total impedance in a series RLC circuit, the option will be an B, the root of, this is the square root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square will be an answer for this. And 13th one, in a three-phase star connection, the voltage is related to the phase voltage. The answer will be an option B, VL is equal to root of root 3 into VPH. Okay. And 14th one, the power factor purely resistivity AC circuit is 0. Always it is 0. The fifth question is, the equation for power in a three-phase balance system is, answer will be an root 3 VL IL into cos theta. Option A will be an answer for this. Next is 5 fill in the blanks. They'll give answers will be given in the question. We have to find out the answer. The first question, dash law explain the direction induced EMF force. The answer will be an Lenz's law. Lenz's law I have written, this is Lenz's law. Dash inductance occurs between the two coils. The mutual inductance occurs between two coils. Answer will be a mutual inductance. One complete set of positive and negative value of AC waves form. We call it as in cycle. It has given in the question. And opposite offers by RLC circuit to AC, the called as impedance. For a multiplication purpose, the vectors are to be represent. What is the form? In the form of polar form. And next question is model question paper 2. So model question paper 2 MCQs. So I am going to explain. The first question is, the force between two charges is governed by which law? Option C will be an Coulomb's law. The unit for electric field intensity, option will be an B, N bar, C is a Newton bar Coulomb. Next, in energy stored in a capacitor is given by of So E is equal to energy capacity, E is equal to of CV square is option C will be an answer for this. Next, which of the following is a secondary battery? That is, we call it as an option C, lead acid battery. KCl is based on the law of conservation of option C will be an charges. A network that contains only positive elements, that we call it as an passive networks. Next is conversion from current source to voltage source, which requires option D resistance in a series. And the next question, the Thevenin theorem, the network is replaced with question number 8. Answer will be a voltage source in a series with a resistance. Next will be in Lenz's law associated with, which will be associated with induced EMF force. The formula for inductive reactance, option B, XL is equal to 2 pi FL. The average value of sinusoidal current is option A, 0.637 into I max. Next is the capacitive circuit, the current leads to voltage. And 13th one, the peak factor in the is the ratio of, the peak factor is the ratio. Answer will be in option C, peak divided by RMS. 14. The Q factor resonant circuit is measured of option C, quality of resonance. Next will be 15th one, the three-phase balance load, the power consumed is, so option C, given by root 3 into VL IL in cos phi. The next will be in fill in the blanks. Dash is the ability of capacitors to store the electric charge, will be answer will be in a capacitance. Magnetic is a dash total number of magnetic lines passing through a surface, that is we call it as a magnetic flux. The Fleming right hand rule used to determine the direction of induced EMF force due to the electromagnetic induction will be an answer. Dash, in dash connection, the line current equal to the phase current, that is called delta connection. The power factor mathematically we are going to represent is cos phi. Okay. And next question is a model question paper, same electrical and electronic engineering second semester. So concept with electrical subject code is 25 EE 21 is, the first question is, which of the following passive elements? Okay. Option C, inductors, all the passive elements. The second question, electrical field intensity is defined as option B, force divided by charge. Next, capacitance increases with option B, higher dielectric constant will be an answer. Which battery type most suitable for smartphone? Answer will be an lithium ion batteries. Option C will be an. Next, which law is used for calculate node current? That is KCL, Kirchhoff Coulomb's law. So next is an ideal current source as. Option C, infinity internal resistance will be an answer. In a star connection, the phase voltage is always less than the line voltage. Option C will be. Next is Thevenin's and Norton theorem is used. Option C, network simplification. The magnetic field lines are option D, closed loop lines. Option D will be. Next is Fleming's right hand rule will give option C, direction of induced EMF. RMF value of sinusoidal voltage is equal to option A, 0.701 Vmax. Next is in an inductive circuit, the current, option B, lags voltage. Next is impedance of the purely resistivity AC circuits, option B, equivalent to resistance. In a resonance, the reactive components, option B, cancel each other. And 15th one, delta connection, the line voltage equal to the phase voltage. And next will be and fill in the blanks. Dash power does not useful work in AC circuit, it is an reactive. The property of a coil opposed changes the current, that is we call it as an inductor. Next, three phase winds are connected to each other delta or star will be an answer. Dash the unit battery energy capacity, that is called watt hour. The electric potentials is not as a dash quantity, scalar quantity. Answer will be a scalar quantity. So you will get Pakka 20 marks if you study 3 marks. If you study these 3 videos, so without fail all the questions you have to know. So then only you will get. See more information. Please subscribe my channel and share and support. I am going to upload another subject 20 marks videos. Thank you. If the information is useful, please subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you.